NASA needs to blow the whistle on themselves. NASA needs to admit that they faked the Apollo missions. So one of the reasons why I took up the job with the Chinese Space Agency is because maybe this will help pressure NASA into making this admission early. You see, this is what it's all about. NASA said, we're trying to delay this mission until 2026, Artemis 3. But the sooner this admission comes out, the better. So that's why just recently, a few days ago, yesterday, the other scientist came out and said, many people believe that the Apollo missions were fake. This is the Chinese scientist on the launch on Chang'e 6.
All right, now let's hear some more analysis from my guest here in the studio, Professor Yang Guang from the Space Transportation Committee at the IAF.
You know that you asked which is the most dangerous or risky part. From my view of a technician, the most important or the most risky part will be the lunar orbit rendezvous, which means that the two spacecraft rendezvous and dock together in the circumlunar orbit. You know that many people doubt about whether the Apollo program is true or not. One thing is that, you know, that in 1960 or 1970s, it's almost
That's about half a century
unbelievable
ago.
that the human being can conduct a docking in the cislunar orbit. You know that
it just came out on Chinese state television saying many people doubt whether the Apollo missions were true or not. This is basically just the saying that it was a hoax, because the guy who said that knows it was a hoax, but the way he said it was, many people doubt whether it was true or not. And it's almost unbelievable that they were able to pull off a lunar orbit rendezvous back in the 60s. It's almost unbelievable. This was his exact words, right? So he didn't actually admit, he doesn't say it's a hoax, right? He's not blowing the whistle here. This is just the Chinese way of putting pressure on NASA. That's why he made the statement. He says, look, we agreed not to blow the whistle, and we are not blowing the whistle here. We never said it was a fake. We're just saying many people believe it was fake. Now, but what he's doing is he's putting pressure on NASA. Okay, you guys, you keep delaying Artemis and you keep delaying your public admission. You promised to us you're going to admit this thing. So hurry up and admit it.